Okay, hold on. Hello everyone. I am here to tell you how to take care of your cats. Now, first of all, with the water in the food. Mittens, watch. They will come to the sound of their food bowl. That is kind of a trick if you think it is, that's fine. But this has water in it. I don't know why we use this. It's used for cooking, but I don't know, their bowl was kind of getting moldy and stuff from all the food because they chew up their food and then they get a drink and then there's like food in the water bowl. So, yeah. And what I would like to talk to you about is that they need fresh water every single day. And then food, not with food, it's just that whenever their food bowl gets low, you need to fill it up. And we don't use the soft food, we get the hard food, this kind. We only get the hard food because it okay, I'm sorry. The hard food, it helps because since cats don't brush their teeth, the hard food gets all the plaque off of their teeth, and the soft food, it just stacks up in their teeth and it doesn't help with all the plaque. That's what their vet said. So yeah. So I guess you guys will see Whiskers, Mittens' brother, eating. I guess he would like to come over. Anyways. Remember, this is another thing that I would like to point out. Get a cat a brush. It's because they don't like the feeling of dead hair just laying on them. I brush Mittens a lot, as much as I can. Whiskers, that's Nathan's problem. So, yeah. He doesn't brush him. So, yeah. Fill your water bowl every day because if you're a cat, cats like mine like to chew up the food, keep it in their mouth, and then get a drink with food still in their mouth. Refresh their water every day. That's just a really good idea. I refreshed it before I started the show. See, it's just like tap water. They don't care. It's just water. Thanks. And yeah. So, with our cats, they don't care what kind of food they get. And with other cats, I guess sometimes when you have one food and give it to them all their life and then all of a sudden go to a different food, we have different food. But, yeah. We change up their food once in a while. They don't really care. I guess it all tastes the same to them. And if you just hold on to your cat and play dress up with it and all that, that means that it's getting too much love when it tries to get away from you. Well, what that means is it's getting too much love is that you won't let it go and all that. But once in a while you need to let it go and move around freely. Now, if you've just got a cat or a kitten, you probably want to know how to potty train it. Well, how to potty train it is, and to show them where the litter box is, ours is in the bathroom. I'm not sure if it's clean or not. I don't want to show you poop. So, yeah. Ours is in the bathroom. I don't know where you guys want to put it. It's fine. Doesn't really matter where it goes. But if you got a kitten or something and a cat, you gotta pick them up and show them where the litter box is. Now, if your cat doesn't like to be picked up, kind of like moves them. I don't know how to do it because my cats don't care if they're picked up or not. A lot of cats don't, I guess. Kittens, I guess they don't really care. But with kittens, be very, very careful. Those bones are very, very fragile. And if you like drop them on a hard floor, they could die. So I didn't want to sad you or anything. It's just a fact. So yeah. Also, here, I'm gonna get Mittens over here. Come on. Where's the food? Come on. How come you're not coming, Mittens? Come on.
You have to shake the bag. No, I'm being it.
I know that. I guess it's the last of our food. We need to go to the store. Anywho, yeah. Hold on. Just be right here. See if Mittens and Whiskers comes, and you can watch them eat. I gotta tell my brother something. Okay, I'm guessing no cat came, but that is okay. Mittens, for one, likes to watch out the window. Come out here, Mittens. Now, Mittens is well, not all cats are active. Not all.
Whiskers is lazy, but Mittens is really active.
Not really.
Yeah, really.
Not all really. Whiskers isn't. Dude, Whiskers doesn't like to be picked up. Lay right in front of the food. Yeah, that's what I was showing. He's not hungry. You didn't know that. He was eating a few seconds ago. Now come here. Face the camera. Take him away.
Okay, let's go. Oh, you want some food? No. Oh. God,
Dude, don't make him puke. That's not a way to carry your cat.
It is for me.
Sorry, my brother doesn't know how to take care of his cat. So, now, I'm going to make my way to the couch so I can show you guys.
Your video's stupid. Just a cat.
So I can show you guys
Everybody knows about it.
grooming. I can show you guys
I think everybody knows about it.
how to brush your cat well. Okay, so listen to this cat. I'm a kitty cat song. Okay, so I don't want to be seen. So, I'm going to show the couch right now, and I'm going to go get a brush and mittens. Mittens! Mittens! Mittens, come here. You want to be brushed? Mittens! Oh, come on. Come on. Hold on, it's hard to get Mittens up on the couch. Come on. I guess Whiskers will. Yeah. Oh, well. Okay, here we go. Nathan?
Yeah.
Mitten, or Whiskers. Ah! Okay. This is Whiskers. He doesn't like to be brushed. But brush them well so you don't see any white dead skin that's on them. Whiskers really has knots in his fur. Now for one, Whiskers doesn't like to get brushed. Now be careful with your vicious cats, okay? Because this one's kind of vicious. Don't. No. Don't. So, that's how much hair came out of Nathan's cat. I wonder why. Because you don't brush it. Shouldn't be like that, dude. What? Actually, I said you don't brush him. Anyways, that kinda, yeah, is how you brush a cat. Now, I think we're gonna go. So, I'm Haley, the helper of Mittens, and the helper of Whiskers. Don't choose to be, but I do. So, listen to the rest of this kitty cat song. You don't take care of him. Goodbye, everyone. Remember to subscribe and comment and put a video response below telling us how you take care of your cat. Cat, not dog, cat. Only cat. Thank you. Subscribe and comment, and now listen to the rest of this kitty cat song. I